This selection of metallic gold, silver, and a bronze or rose gold originally debuted in 2013, and it was Beyonce who made them hot. Let's take a closer look at the Air Force 1 SP Liquid Metal Pack. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at the Air Force 1 SP for women in the Liquid Metal Pack. Before we show you a closer look, just do us a quick favor, please subscribe, and we'll get right to it. So as you guys know, this metallic gold, silver, and bronze really isn't new. First debuted in 2013 in a bunch of women's shoes, actually. It was the Air Max 1 and the Dunk Sky High. We'll touch on that a little bit, and as we mentioned before, Beyonce was a big reason why those shoes just exploded in popularity. But again, you just want to go over the basic release details. Each pair retails for 150 bucks. The gold and the silver pair will be available on December 13th on Nike and select retailers. The bronze pair is actually available right now. Of course, check the store links below to find out where you can buy them. So to start this off, we should rewind back to 2013 when the Liquid Metal Pack first surfaced. It wasn't on an Air Force 1, it was actually on an Air Max 1 for women. Beyonce just happened to wear a pair and she posted it on her Instagram, and those shoes sort of blew up, and resale prices for the women's pairs were skyrocketing. And that was actually one of the first women's sneakers that really blew up on the resale market. You know, at that time, there was no Adidas Yeezy, so it's not like the base size wasn't a thing at that time. A lot of women out there were really all up on that Air Max 1, and of course, it's in full metallic gold. Not long after that one, they followed up with a silver pair, so there was never an Air Max 1 in this metallic copper or rose gold. And there's also a set of Dunk Sky Highs, and at that time, the Dunk Sky High was probably the most popular women's Nike shoe out there. All over New York City or any major sneaker-centric city, you saw women wearing the Dunk Highs with the wedges on them. And those have kind of disappeared off the market because a lot of women are geared toward just the flat-soled sneakers. And then long after that, they released a men's version of the gold and the silver Air Max 1s, but those were a little bit different because I had the speckled midsoles. These are solid white like the OGs. And what's different about these as well as the original set is that it doesn't actually have the liquid metal tongue. The Air Max 1s and the Dunk Sky Highs, they were kind of inspired by Table of Elements, so they had the actual elemental square logo for gold and silver, but these don't have that. It's just a classic Nike Air. So we're now gonna show you just a closer look at this entire set. You know, Nike was gracious enough to send us these, so thank you, Nike. So in terms of construction, it's a very classic Air Force 1. You're not really gonna see anything different in terms of construction. Solid white outsole, and the dimensions and the shape are very consistent with a regular Air Force 1. But you know, you have a full golden metallic detail. You know, these colors are really popular around this time of year because it just reminds us of, you know, Christmas decorations and whatnot. The tongue, as you can see, also has that metallic finish, so it's a square tag versus a rectangular tag that you see on a classic Air Force 1. The tongue itself is basically a fabric that kind of has a bit of a sheen to it. The insoles are color matched with the interior lining, and as you can see, it just says Nike Air. As you can see, the silver pair is not much different, you know, fully metallic upper, color matched insoles, solid white Air Force 1 outsole. Same thing with the copper. Even shot of the heel, you can just see the classic Nike Air. There's no actual embroidery on the shoe. It's just a fully metallic upper. This isn't the first time the Liquid Metal Pack first hit the Air Force 1. It actually arrived on the Lunar Force 1 in the mid. A few years back when the Lunar Force 1 was in full force, of course, that model or that variation of the Air Force 1 is no longer on the market. So, you know, we understand why Nike dropped these. You know, it's a good time of year, geared just toward the ladies. The sizes go up so you can get them in your men's sizes. I mean, the shoebox, which is just your classic Nike Air shoebox, it has the men's and the women's sizing. So yeah, this is just a quick look at one of the better inline GR models of December. Again, they're 150 bucks a piece. You know, if you're like Air Force 1s and you want to be a little more festive for your holiday party, you can go with these. Or if you just like the metallic look, you know, these are kind of hard to pass up on. So again, December 13th for the gold and the silver pair, 150 bucks. The copper or rose gold pair is already in stores. Again, check the links below if you want to buy them right now. Let us know in the comments which of the three is your favorite, and we'll catch you in the next video.